FC no dey beg at all. FC no dey beg. Right hand, FC no dey beg. You get? Wizkid remains my 001 in the music industry. No cap. No cap. I didn't say that to hurt anyone or to pull anybody down. Do you get? And again, there's a statement he made. Davido said that he's coming to Abuja. I would have been his barber. I would have been the person that is going to cut his hair. How? You know me before. Why go be your barber? What's up? If not because of my comments, he go reply me. What's up now? No, let's be realistic. Do you know me before, bro? Eh? You don't know me, man. FC, man. FC is number one. You get? Eh? But apart from that, yes, me, I know they beg anybody. You get, but nobody. See. Davido is not my helper because who go help me, no go stress me. Portable talker. Who go help you, no go stress you. No cap.